When I look at navigating your career, I think having a network is one of the most important things you can do. And it has to start internally in your company, but it also needs to be external in the industry, in the profession that you're in, and it has to start from the beginning. I just wrote an article around how to make the most of your internship, because people are getting into internships this time of year, and that kind of lays the foundation. But one of the most important pieces of advice is really about building your network, because you never know where relationships are going to lead, both professionally, personally, how you may connect with individuals, how you can help someone else, maybe make a connection to help them with their next job, maybe they make that connection for you and introduce you to your next boss. So it's very, very important, and treating people right and doing the right thing, truly helping others, making that difference, kind of the paying it forward, concept that can go so far is really important. So, advice I give to people too in building a network, it's not about just what you're going to get from it, it's more about what you can give to your network internally and externally. And, the magic of that is that it always comes back tenfold. I would say that I wish I knew to dream big, to dream even bigger than I can imagine, because when I think back to graduating college and starting out my career, though I was ambitious and driven and wanted to climb the corporate ladder, I probably never dreamed that I would be in a role or do the things that I do today. And now I feel like, wow, if someone had told me, there are no limits, reach for the stars. And you hear those things and you think they're kind of cliche, but if I could talk to my younger self, I would say dream big and go for it. Don't let anyone hold you back. And it's probably the same advice I'd give to myself today. I still see a long runway ahead, and not going to stop.